Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenerator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I got something that one of you had, and they were like, have you ever tried this or this or that? I was like, yeah, I tried it, but it's been a while. I was like, you want to see what I do with it? And the guy said, yeah. I'm like, okay, I'll get to it eventually. Well, today is eventually. This is Myojo Ippei-chan Oriental. Now, I'm going to go with, this is, I don't know. It just says it's Oriental flavor with mayo, but honestly, I want to say this is Shio. So, I don't know how it would be anything else in all that blue. Now, if you came over to my house and you were going to have this, I like this one, by the way. I've had this, so it's been a while, but I've had it before, so I'm going to do it the way I would do it if you came over to my house and I was going to cook it up for you. First off, this whole lid thing, no thanks. I know. You're probably like, but that's the coolest part. It's like, no, it's not. I'm not eating this on the go. If I was on the go, I'd totally be all about it. But there's just no need. Mayo. Alright, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to drop this in a pot of boiling water. I'm going to give it 3 minutes. Make sure it gets down below. Alright, now. It's time for the magic. The space Japanese magic. Right. Somebody was saying to me on Facebook, like, wow, you get to sample instant noodles? How do I get in touch with companies to do that? I'm like, yeah? Well, no. What is this? This is magic. Wonderful, wonderful magic. Is it like that? Okay. And then... Okay. So, what we gotta do... You're like, what the hell do you have there? Let me make sure you can see everything good. There you go. Right. Out. That's right. Then we go. Wow, why aren't you working right today? Amazing taco kake gohan. Oh, we're working good. Down below. Here we go. Whip it up, sucker. Yeah, there we go. So this is a machine used for making something called tamago kake gohan, and that is a dish involving an egg and rice and maybe a couple little things, but not much else. Soy sauce maybe. Anyways, what this does is it takes the egg and now it's beating the white, and that's going to go directly on what I'm making. And down below here, it's getting angrier, and the white will get all frothy. Alright, and the noodles are done, so let's drain those real quick. I've been enlightened to a great many wonderful and beautiful Japanese contraptions lately for the kitchen. And I'm like, oh, dude. I am all about it. Okay, here we go. Let's try about there. That's whipped enough. Alright. Now, I guess I could have put this in earlier, but I think we might have a little bit of broth left, right? A little liquid? No, not much. I'll skip the dry veg because I've pretty much got the same thing already. So here is the base. Drop that in. Oily. Yummy. Very yummy. That's screaming shoyu to me. Maybe sesame. I'm not sure. There's our noodle. And right now we're gonna go with I got spring onion and mung bean sprouts, so those are going in. You know, if you did actually come over and wanted to have yakisoba, I would just make you yakisoba. You know, I know how to. You just buy the sauce and you get special noodles for it. But if you came over and you brought this is what I'd do. I've made a lot of yakisoba. Yeah, yakisoba. Yeah. Here, whip it a little more, whipper. It's like it meringuifies the egg yolk or the egg white. Okay. Alright, can you see? Sure you can, alright. Yummy! One thing that really is more, you would generally find in this would be more cabbage. But you'll get the crunch from the negi, the green onion in this. But normally you would find lots of cabbage. For the longest time I couldn't eat cabbage because I had to be on blood thinners. Because I got a, what do you call it, a thing in my lung, going on a trip. Let's throw some chashu on there. And let's play with our eggy egg. Come on, eggy egg. Here, you have a seat right here, eggy egg. And then we're going to take your friend, Whitey Whitey. Yep, eggy egg, Whitey Whitey. Come on, Whitey. And here we go. I say right about here. Yeah. And there's that lovin'. Now, grab some pickled ginger, because that's something that makes me like incredibly happy. I'm guessing this is shichimi, togarashi. Better not be on top of the entertainment center, Miles. That'll get you a timeout. A big, fat, hairy, stinky timeout from Papa. There you go. And now the tricky part. We have this, but you always see on the package it's so freaking fancy, right? So we are going to super close just cut the corner off the sachet. Here we go. It's tricky sometimes getting this stuff to come out, but when it does and you do it just right, it looks pretty neat. Let me see. And there you go. I think I want to do another tune on here that's a little more. No. There you go. Myojo Ippei-chan. sliced persimmon. I know, but I've been having fun with it lately. Right, Miles? Yeah. All right, well, here we are. So the tripod has little legs that bend, and it's really hard. It's really hard to deal with, but I do. But yeah, there you go. So yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.